Okay, these are the Pesukim in the Torah that discuss the mitzvah of Hashavas Aveida, of returning a lost object. It's worthwhile, before we study Mishnah and Gemara that discuss the mitzvah in detail, to study the basic halachos, the basic concept of the mitzvah. This is found in Devarim, in Peruchav Beis, Pesukim Aleph, Beis, and Gimel. So the first pasuk says as follows: Lo sirei shor achicha, you shouldn't see the donkey of your brother, o et seyo, or his sheep, nidachim, they're wandering off, meaning they're going away from where they belong. Veisalamta mehem, and you will make yourself blind, meaning you'll pretend that you didn't see it, you'll ignore this. Rather, this says the Torah, Shev teshivem leachicha, you shall surely return it to your brother. This is where we get the name of the mitzvah, Hashavas Aveida, returning a lost object. The next pasuk says, Veim lo karov achicha elecha, if your brother, which means anybody really, if your brother is not near you, or velo yedator, you don't know who it is, ve'asafto el toch beisecha, then you will take the item into your house, ve'aya imcha ad rosh achicha oso, and it will be with you until your brother asks for it, ve'ashevosalo, and then you'll return it to him. Meaning, sometimes you find an item and the owner is not nearby, or very often you don't know who the owner is. So what do you do in that case? So the Torah says, take the item home, and then when your brother claims it, then you have the mitzvah, return it to him. Finally says the next pasuk, V'chen ta'aseh lechamoro, so shall you do to his donkey, V'chen ta'aseh lesimlaso, so shall you do for his garment, V'chen ta'aseh lechol aveidas achicha, so shall you do for any lost object of your brother, asher tovat mimeno, that is lost from him, umatzasa, and you find it. Lo sucha leisalem, you will not be able to make yourself blind. Again, that you should not pretend that you didn't see it, but rather you have a mitzvah to get involved, pick it up, and try to return it. So this is the basic Pesukim that discuss the mitzvah. And obviously there's many questions that need to be addressed. For example, what exactly is the process for returning the object? Like how long do you announce it? How long do you keep trying to do this mitzvah? Does it apply to really any item, as the Torah seems to say that it applies to all these various animals, garments, or any lost object? Are there some items that we're not obligated to return? Also, what happens if there is a conflict between the mitzvah of returning a lost item and other mitzvahs? I want to do the mitzvah of Hashavas Aveida, I do want to return it. But what happens if there's another mitzvah that I'm involved with? Which mitzvah do I choose? So these are some of the questions that the Mishnah and the Gemara are going to discuss as we embark on this and the learning of this mitzvah.